Today on our 2009 Kia Sedona, you're going to be taking a look at, I'm going to show you how to install the CURT Class 3 Trailer Hitch Receiver, part number C13345. This is what our hitch looks like when it's installed. The cross tube is visible, however it does have a rounded tube design so it fits with the contour of the vehicle. Receiver tube is nice and tucked in underneath of the bumper fascia, so you're not going to have to worry about hitting your legs or your shins on it when you're loading and unloading the vehicle. Also has a nice reinforced collar for extra stability. It's going to be a Class 3. It's going to be 2 inch by 2 inch. Your hitch pin hole is going to be 5/8 inch in diameter. It's going to have a plate style safety chain ring hookup. You can see it has plenty of room for different size safety chain hooks. You're going to have a 350 pound max tongue weight, which is the downward pressure on the inside of the receiver tube. You're going to have a 3,500 pound max trailer weight, which is the trailer plus the load included. Now you can use weight distribution with this. Tongue weight's going to go up to 400 pounds max, and trailer weight's going to go up to 4,000 pounds max. Now I do recommend checking your owner's manual to make sure your vehicle can withstand that amount of weight, and you're going to want to pick the lowest number between the vehicle and the hitch. Now we will give you a couple measurements to help you when deciding on any hitch mounted accessories you may need, such as a bike rack, ball mount, or cargo carrier. From the center of the hitch pin hole to the outermost part of the bumper will be about 4 inches. From the ground to the top innermost part of the receiver tube will be about 11 inches. Now it's a good idea to get a raised shank for better ground clearance. Now let's show you how to get this installed. First thing we need to do is we need to remove our exhaust from our exhaust hangers. You're going to have one here, and right on the other side of the extra you'll have another one. We're going to spray a little bit of lubrication on them. We'll take a pry bar, slowly start to pull it off there. And we'll do the same thing with this one. What we want is we want access to these 3 weld nuts. And you're going to have 3 on one side, 3 on the other side of the vehicle. Next we'll take some lubricant. You want to spray it up in the holes. And we're going to take just a pipe brush or a toothbrush. Depending on how old the vehicle is, you may have to tap them out, which it looks like we're probably going to have to do here. So we'll take a 12 millimeter by 1.25. Slowly start to screw this up into the hole so we can clean off the threads. Next we want to take one of our bolts and thread it into the hole to make sure it's good and clean. We don't have a cross thread problem. And you're going to do that with all remaining holes. Next we're going to take our hitch and we're going to slide up over our exhaust on our passenger side first. We'll let that hold our hitch in place. We're going to take a bolt, conical tooth washer. We're going to make sure that the teeth are facing up toward the hitch. We'll get one started over here. And we'll get one put in on the other side. Hold our hitch into place. Once you've got a couple hand tightened in, you can finish putting your remaining hardware in. Next, we'll tighten all our hardware using a 3/4 inch socket. Next, we'll torque all our hardware to the specifications and the instructions. We're going to repeat that on all remaining hardware. Next, we'll put our exhaust back into place. We'll spray down our hangers again. We're going to start toward the front of the vehicle and work our way back. Get it in the hole like that. Just like that. That'll do it for a look at and installation on the CURT Class 3 Trailer Hitch Receiver, part number C13345 on our 2009 Kia Sedona.